The inflow tail's growing too.
Yeah, I'm just gonna say it's almost 60 days right here.
Johnny said this is gonna tornado.
Yeah, we're looking at it. He doesn't need to tell us.
Yeah, he's far away.
He's still an hour away.
Golly, I wish I had wide angle.
Or lightning up.
Is that a funnel back there? Is that a funnel?
I can't.
Oh, that might be. I see it.
Where?
Right in the cut.
Zoomed in on it, it does not look like one.
Okay.
It just looks like scuds getting hit, but that cut is becoming really
Very
visible.
noticeable. Yep.
Okay, I'm going tight on that.
Alright, you got a new pulse on the updraft tower. The updraft tower looks a lot better than it did.
Yeah,
2 minutes
good
ago.
pulse with a nice RFD cut right now is, ooh, that is getting good.
It's giving you the tingle.
Yeah, the tornado tingles.
That's not too-
Oh yeah, look at how
Look
defined
at it
crisp
crank.
that is.
You can literally see it cranking right now.
I wish I had a camera to run time lapse. Quickly get your lightning camera back out. Don't miss anything.
No, I want to bolt like straight down.
Stealing all of your photos. You're like right in my frame too, so if I get a bolt, I go to screen grab of you.
God, they keep the inflow probably. This is. I don't have words for what this is.
I'm gonna go tight on that.
Yep, I'm trying to find where it is. I think. Oh, that's a tornado, boys. Look, it's on the ground. It's on the ground. Oh, it's right behind like a telephone pole. It looks like there's like a little noodle on the ground. I can't believe there's no tornado report on this yet.
Oh, I got a good angle.
This structure is obscene. Frame. I need to get some more pictures of this mesmo vault.
I'm with you on that. I'm going tight on that shit.
Fuck me, man. This is. How do I go back to Ohio after this, huh?
This is otherworldly.
This inflow. It's weird little push. Oh my god! Oh boy! Oh boy! This is. I'm surprised we're getting whacked. Oh man, my GoPro's at 21%, so I'm just gonna let it go till it dies. Yep. Get some more of these fucking pictures, man. You want to talk about high plains insanity? Here it is.